Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Freedom by Jimi Hendrix. First, let's get your guitar ready. Many of Jimi's songs, including this one, are often played with the guitar tuned down a half step. This means every string is lowered by 1 fret. For example, your low E string becomes E flat. However, you can still learn the song in standard tuning by adjusting your fret positions. We will begin with the main intro riff, which uses a C-sharp power chord. The intro riff is iconic and relatively straightforward. Begin by placing your index finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, and your pinky on the 6th fret of the G string. This forms your C-sharp power chord. After striking this chord, immediately play the open low E string, then the 2nd fret, and then the 4th fret on the low E. Practice transitioning smoothly between the power chord and this walking bass line. A key element of Jimi's sound is the C-sharp 7-sharp 9 chord, often called the Hendrix chord. This chord gives Freedom its unique, soulful character. You can form it by playing a C-sharp 7 chord and adding the sharp 9. Experiment with sliding into this chord from 1 fret below to capture that fluid Hendrix style. This chord is prominently featured in the verse sections, providing a rich harmonic foundation for the vocals and lead guitar. To truly capture the essence of Freedom, practice incorporating bends and slides, especially on the D and G strings. Jimi often used subtle bends and quick slides to add vocal-like qualities to his playing. Work on hammer-ons and pull-offs to create seamless transitions between notes. Maintain a relaxed, yet precise, strumming hand to achieve the song's funky rhythm. Consistent practice and attentive listening to the original track will help you master this classic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.